I'm gonna have Paige sit right here. At this point, we're just shooting for fun. I should wait till they like shut up. Okay? Yeah, because they're just talking. I look dark right here, dog. Oh, no, 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 no. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Currently at a park right now, packed with children, okay? So, I really wanted to shoot in this location because I wanted to get the nice Ohio sign that's right behind me. Now, today we are gonna be doing one speed light, and I'm doing this mostly for the beginner photographers out there. I wanna let you know that you still could get great shots even without spending a whole lot of money on strobes. Why would you wanna incorporate a speed light into photos when you have all of this sun that's outside? Well, usually when people do natural light photography, they expose for the model, and when they expose for the model, it leaves the background, the sky, it leaves it just white, pure white. And if you expose for the ambient, then it leaves the model a little bit too dark. But that's what we want to do. We want to expose for the ambient, and then we bring our speed light, and then we light up to model, and in that way we have a great image. Now, you can continue to do natural light photography, but I'm teaching you this because I want you to take your photography to the next level. And when you incorporate off-camera flash, that's what you're doing. You're upgrading your level. So the light that we're using will be the Godox V1. I wouldn't say that this is an entry-level speed light, but Godox do make other speed lights that will be a little bit more entry level. But this speed light has high speed sync. It actually has a modeling light. Probably wouldn't be good for anything you're doing in the daytime, but at nighttime it'll help you get focus. If your camera's like hunting for focus, it'll help you get your focus. Since you may not go with a flash that has high speed sync for your first speed light, and it may be a little cheaper one, what we will do today is we will use an ND filter. Now what an ND filter does is it lets you bring your shutter speed way below 200, and then that way you don't have to worry about not being able to shoot in high speed sync. So as you turn the variable ND filter, it actually gets a little bit darker. And when that happens, you'll be able to use your speed light and crank it to high power. Now, even if you have a speed light that does have high speed sync, if you use it without the ND filter, you're probably gonna have to use that speed light at like full power. The ND filter that I will be using is made by KNF Concepts, and no, this is not a sponsored video by them, but I want to keep everything in here fairly cheap for more beginner photographers that can't really afford, you know, the ND filters that's a few hundred basically. So this one comes in right under $100. I have links in the description to everything that I used today. So I will start off, I will show you how the photos look without any type of flash. I'll show you how the photo looks with the one speed light. And I'm also gonna show you how the photo looks with my AD400 and my AD600. And the reason why is because although we're starting at a low level, I still want you to upgrade and go higher and higher and higher. So I want you to see what it looks like in 3 different steps. And probably with the AD400 and the AD600, I may take off the ND filter just so you can see how it will look if I'm at higher shutter speeds. Now, I'll probably be at like 5,000, but that'll be all right. So today I'm here with my good friend Paige, and we are gonna start with no flash, then one speed light, and then the AD400 and 600. Okay, you ready? Let's go. So let's expose for the ambient, and boom. It's gonna be like portrait, so not even below the knees, that's fine. All right, give me a thumbs up. Perfect. Now the sky is beautiful, but you are extremely dark, okay? And if I expose for you, then it will look like this. Boom. Now you aren't dark, but the sky is just solid white. And we don't like that. You don't like that, right?
No.
But the sky looks good though, right?
Yeah,
the sky looks beautiful, right?
I don't have any features.
You can't see yourself at all.
Nope.
Okay. And then right here, you can see yourself.
Okay.
But is that beautiful sky still there?
No.
Okay, so
It's all white.
it's all white. We're gonna fix that, okay? We're gonna fix it with one speed light. This speed light right here, okay? Now I'm using this modifier because it is dirt cheap. I mean, you can get this for like probably under $50. So when you look at this photo,
yes.
Do you see the beautiful sky?
I see the sky, yes.
Do you see yourself as well?
I do see myself.
All of your features?
Yes.
All right, perfect.
It's doing what it's supposed to do.
It's doing what it's supposed to do. All right, so while I break out my AD400 and AD600, I'm gonna have Paige talk to you newer photographers to tell things that she finds comfortable when she shoots.
Okay, so basically if you're starting up and you're having people come to your space, wherever you're shooting outside, you wanna make sure that you look professional. You have all your stuff together and you're ready to go. And more or less that you have a plan. If you show up and you don't have a plan, you are kind of winging everything and making it seem like you're taking random pictures versus pictures that are like for a purpose, whether it's for their shoot, it's your content, whether like, you know, they're paying you or not, doesn't matter. You have to make it so that they feel comfortable. They're in a setting where there's other people around or it's like a legitimate space. Otherwise, there can be some creepy situations where you feel like you're there for a different reason. So make sure that you're communicating properly with your words, how you're talking, your language, and seeming professional. If you don't, you could come across really creepy. Make sure you're not ever like, if you're posing your models, make sure that you're not like just going up to them and touching them. Make sure you like tell them what to do. Don't touch them. Do not touch your models. That's creepy. Please don't do that. And if you do and you like want to like show them, hey, move your arm this way, show them first and then ask them like, oh, can I position your arm? Just don't touch them without consent. That's all you gotta do.
Which one? I'm gonna see, let's see now. No? Really? Try, look again. So dark, but it's okay. So we're gonna have a change of plans. My AD600 stopped working. We're gonna use the AD300. 1 second. All right, you ready? All right, cool. Let's come down like that. Now this is with both lights, ND filter. All right, so this right here is with both lights.
Both lights are fire.
Fire, right?
Fire.
You can see the...
You can see everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything. Wait, I'm too close.
Go ahead.
Every single thing. Both lights, AD300, AD400, because my 600 just failed on me. Still got the ND filter on, and this is what it looks like. All right, so that's with us exposing for the ambient. That's with us exposing for the model. That's one speed light, and then that's the AD300 with the AD400, because my 600 is broke, okay? So now we're just gonna shoot to shoot, and I'll throw some images at the end of the video. We're gonna use the 85 1.8 and blur the out of the background, okay? There we go.
He got it.
I got it.
He got it.
Cold pizza on Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for that new wave. I think I like it how it is. Cold pizza on Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge.
So this is our next location. I'm gonna have Paige sit right here. At this point, we're just shooting for fun. I should wait till they like shut up.
I think I like it how it is.
Yeah, because they're just talking. I look dark right here, dog.
We got it. It's okay.
Okay, wait. So at this point, we're just shooting to shoot. We got everything we need, but we felt like why waste a wonderful location without just keep going. So we got the AD300, the AD400, my 85 1.8, and Paige. Come through. Okay. You having a good time?
Fabulous time.
All right. So now we're gonna go ahead on and take these photos. I'm out of breath, and I'm gonna make sure the model does not get hit with the light because the wind is blowing so strong.
I might get hit.
She might get hit, but we cool. She's not gonna sue me.
I won't.
You won't? All right,
I
cool.
won't.
All right, let's take them. All right, in the middle. Perfect. Let's see. I love it. Let's. Oh, they are nice. Yep, just like that. Keep on leaning in. Yep, perfect. How are we? Are we good?
Yeah, that's good.
Perfect. I am gonna sit Indian style as well. Okay, let's get this. And I don't wanna be fat. Okay. Meditation. Perfect. Okay. So today we shot with no speed light, just ambient. No, let's start that over. What did we do today?
What did we do today, Ryan?
Okay, what did we do?
We shot with these things.
Yes, we shot with these things, which isn't the purpose of the video. The purpose of the video is why it is important. Well, I guess that could kind of be, but it's why it's important to use off-camera flash if you want to take your photography to the next level. Okay, and that's what we do right here. Right now, we're like next level meditation right here, right? So if you want to take your photography to the next level, off-camera flash. We did with no off-camera flash, exposing for the ambient, she was dark. We did off-camera flash, exposing for her, the sky was white. We did one speed light, looked pretty good, looked good. But then when you take your photography to the next level and invest in lights and don't break them like I did, then you can achieve just, God, what should we call that? If one speed light was good,
It's called magic.
magic, there we go. Okay, so then you could, I am so looking at the screen, I'm not looking at the camera. Were you looking at the screen?
Over here.
I'm just looking at the screen. I'm sorry that I'm not looking at the camera, it's hard. This is Paige.
I am Paige.
I will link her Instagram below, or I'll put your hand up and I'll put it right on your hand. No, there we go. That's her Instagram.
It's right here.
It's right there. I'll still put it in the link below. And if you like the content that we created today, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and the notification bell, because that way you can get every single video I post when I post it. I'm still looking at the screen. And my lips are super chapped.
It's like the 4th time in an hour.
Oh my God. It is cold out here. She has on shorts, okay?
Sandals.
So
I'm doing great.
all right,
This is
cool.
Ohio.